Most creators think you need millions of views to make real money on YouTube. The reality is that entertainment channels require massive scale to earn revenue, while education channels can monetize through courses and coaching with a fraction of the audience. The entire game has changed. Entertainment content relies entirely on advertising revenue. You need massive view counts to generate meaningful income from ads alone. Education channels operate on a completely different economic model. You can sell courses, offer coaching, or launch digital products directly to your audience. The barrier to revenue is significantly lower because the viewer intent is different. People watching entertainment want to be distracted. People watching education want to solve a problem. When you solve a problem, you build trust. Trust converts into direct sales much faster than ad clicks. If you're starting from zero, choosing education over entertainment is the fastest path to generating actual revenue. You do not need to wait for 1 million subscribers. You can launch a digital product with a few thousand highly targeted viewers. This shifts the focus from chasing viral algorithms to building a reliable customer base that pays for your expertise directly. You stop depending on the algorithm and start depending on your community. You do not need to show your face to build a successful channel. Many creators start faceless and only move to a camera later. Now, artificial intelligence makes it easy to build a consistent brand character without ever filming yourself. You can generate a unique avatar using image tools and animate it with voiceover software. This builds intellectual property that competitors cannot easily copy. The risk is relying on generic faceless channels. As artificial intelligence commoditizes basic content, generic channels will lose their value. The solution is building a recognizable face, even if it is entirely digital. A unique digital avatar creates a consistent brand identity. Viewers connect with characters. By designing a specific digital persona, you protect your channel from the wave of automated generic content. You create an asset that stands out in a crowded feed. This future-proofs your channel against the rise of mass-produced, automated videos flooding the platform. This gives you a durable competitive advantage in a space where attention is the only currency. General niches are no longer effective. A topic like health is far too broad to gain traction today. However, a topic like supplements for men over 50 is a goldmine. The more specific you get, the faster you grow. Broad topics have massive competition. Specific topics have dedicated audiences with specific problems. To find your niche, list your interests. Then find the intersection of two popular topics and own that specific space. For example, instead of covering technology, focus on artificial intelligence tools for real estate agents. Instead of general cooking, focus on vegan meal prep for busy moms. This hyper-specific approach allows you to become the absolute authority in a small pond. You face less competition from established creators. You attract viewers who are actively searching for exact solutions. This targeted audience is more valuable because their needs are clear. You can create products tailored directly to them. This precision makes your marketing efforts highly efficient and incredibly profitable over the long term. Combining two popular topics into one video is the formula for viral growth. You take a trending topic and merge it with a specific demographic. For example, creatine is a trending supplement. People over 50 are a specific demographic. A video titled, "Does creatine work for people over 50" addresses both. That specific combination generated over 1 million views. The mechanism here is search volume collision. You are finding two subjects that already have existing search volume. By merging them, you create something unique that neither topic has alone. You capture the audience of the trending topic and filter it through the lens of the demographic. This reduces competition while maximizing potential reach. It is not about guessing what might go viral. It is about mathematically combining existing demand. You find where two search curves cross and place your video right at that intersection to win. This gives you a clear advantage over creators who only cover one side of the equation blindly. The shift toward automated content creation changes the landscape for investors and builders. As tools make production easier, the supply of content will explode. The second-order effect is that distribution and unique branding become more valuable than production quality. Anyone can make a video. Few can build a recognizable brand. This is why the digital avatar strategy is critical. It moves the value from the production process to the intellectual property. For people investing in this space, backing generic content farms is a risky bet. The value lies in channels that own a specific audience through a unique persona or a hyper-specific niche. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. You only need a laptop and a clear strategy. But the barrier to standing out is higher. You must build something that cannot be easily replicated by a simple script. The future belongs to operators who understand how to build a brand wrapper around automated production lines. YouTube is experiencing rapid growth in Morocco and the broader MENA region. Arabic content remains underserved in many profitable niches. Creators can apply this exact education and avatar method in Arabic or French to capture a growing audience. The barrier to entry in these markets is exceptionally low. You do not need a camera or a studio. The opportunity lies in translating proven English language strategies into local languages. If a hyper-specific niche works in English, it will likely work in Arabic. The competition is thinner. The audiences are hungry for localized education. By targeting specific demographics in the MENA region, creators can build dominant positions before larger creators notice. This is a land grab for localized intellectual property. The method remains identical. Pick one niche today. Create one hyper-specific video this week. Do not overthink the setup. Just start building the asset immediately. The strategy is proven. The tools are accessible. The only missing piece is your execution today. Watch how artificial intelligence avatar tools evolve over the next year. The creators who establish their unique digital intellectual property now will hold the strongest positions as the automated content market inevitably saturates. The window to build is open today.